Hello everyone, my name is Denis Litvinov and welcome to my channel where today I'm going to be reviewing the new Helix Turbovolt 20,000 mAh power bank. Are you low on power while you're traveling or even at home? Do you have your phone, computer, headphones and watch all on the go? Well, stay tuned where I'm going to review and unbox this newest power bank. Alright everyone, so let's have a look at the product box. So here we have the Helix Turbovolt Plus 20,000 mAh power bank. So let's have a look at the box first. So it comes in a sealed box where there is the plastic tabs that we can view to make sure that the product hasn't been opened in the past. And the box is quite sturdy, so therefore it won't fall apart on you. You know, it hasn't been damaged in shipping. But the coolest thing about this is there's a flap. So you open the flap and you can look at the product through the box. And also if you are from New Zealand, Puerto Rico, or some of these other countries, you can read the instructions in your own language. So of course this is a slim portable design. It's got an LED power indicator and it supports up to 2 USB outputs. So here's the sides of the box. The back of the box that talks about the product specifications. So it's got an input of 5 volts, the output of 5 volts, and the capacity is confirmed at 20,000 milliamp hours. So let's crack it open and have a look. So we'll use a knife for this, as I'm not going to take the risk of possibly ripping the box in case there's something wrong with the product. However, I doubt it. And we'll cut those tabs. And this one here. All right, here we go. All right, let's open it up. And pull out the actual device itself. So it looks like it doesn't slide out. It opens up just like that. And here we already start to see the power bank in the box. So let's pull that out and see. Okay, so we've got the paperwork here falling out. So this looks like the instructions manual. Okay, talks about how to charge your power bank in all of those same languages that are listed on the box there and the flap that I was showing you earlier. But who reads the instructions manual? Let's just put that away. And here we're presented with a power bank. Of course, you saw fall out the cable that comes with it. And this is what it looks like. All right, so quite short. It's not going to reach all of the devices, but you can always purchase a longer one if you'd like in the future. And let's have a look at the power bank itself. So here, of course, it's all nicely packaged. It's new. We get the 3 charging methods. So these are both USB-A ports that are out to actually charge your device. And here is where the charging cord comes into place. So we plug it in like so. And, oh, okay, I see. So it'll charge just like that. All right, so here on the side, and this is the best thing about this, is it comes with a USB-C cord as well. Sorry, rather USB-C out. So you can charge your laptop with this. So here I have a cord for a MacBook Pro. So you can see that that fits in just great. And also, when we plug it in, it instantly displays the battery percentage on the power bank. And it's flashing, so that means it's charging. The design itself looks very high quality made. Actually, the plastic is very sturdy. There's no gaps. So here you can see me squeezing it. It's definitely a quality product. Here there's no gaps. Everything is built solidly. So it looks like it was a good purchase, so I look forward to using this. So that was a simple unboxing video. Stay tuned, and I'm going to use this product for some time and let you know how it goes. I'll let you know whether or not it's worth to buy it. Alright everyone, so now that we finished unboxing our latest product, thank you for watching my video, subscribe to my channel, and looking forward to seeing you in the next video.